Hey, how's it going, RC drivers? Or maybe I should say, how's it going, RC flyers today? Because we're checking out some planes. I've been asking if you guys wanted to see some planes on the channel, and it seems like you do. So I got these Rage Mini Warbirds in. These are pretty cool. They're almost completely ready to run. You need 4 AA batteries for them, but they give you everything else you need in the box. So let's crack these open to see what they look like. So they have a P51D Mustang, they have a Mitsubishi Zero, and they also have a Corsair. And this is what comes inside the box. So you get your plane mostly assembled. You get your radio system, instruction manual, of course, some extra props, a charger, the battery pack, and they give you an extra prop mount in here just in case that pops off in a hard landing. But look at this thing. This is a very cool looking small plane. Now these actually have a pilot assist stability system in it, so supposedly these are really easy to fly, and low wing planes are not usually a beginner plane. I've only flown some trainers, which are high wing planes, so I'm gonna put this thing through the real test here. It looks like this is a 4-channel radio system. It looks like it's got a stunt button as well. We're gonna have to test that out. They have a intermediate and expert mode. So as you get better with flying the plane, you just flip the switch here and it's gonna adjust the sensitivity of the control surfaces. Mustang obviously is different from the Zero. Looks like they've got a carbon fiber stiffener in the wing there, even in some of the control surfaces. So this seems like a pretty rigid plane. Look at that, no flex, so that should take some hits as well. There's your tiny servo for your ailerons, got a rudder servo there, elevator servo as well. So this thing is well equipped. Let me go throw the wheels on, the battery in, and let's fly these. It's been a really long time since I've flown a plane, so this is either got to go really good or really bad, and I'm kind of leaning towards the latter. But look at that. You can see the control surfaces moving. It's got that stability system, so I got a little bit of hope here. All right, hand launch it. Throttling up. Whoa. Oh my God, look at that. I'm flying, like instantly flying. Whoa. Look how stable that is. Wow. Little rudder action. Whoa. I'm usually just good at like ovals and figure eight, so that's all you're gonna see out of me. Guys, I am so excited. This is easy to fly, a low wing plane. This is killer. Look at that. It's quick too. That's not even full throttle. I'm like half throttle, maybe 3/4 throttle right now. There's my figure eight action. Haha, look at that. Whoa. Okay, so you know I've got a little bit of flying behind me, but I'm not that good, and this thing is making me look really good. This is so much fun. Throttle back a little bit. This is absolutely insane. These are so it's so easy to fly. I'm just blown away. It sounds good. A little whine from it. Gonna do a quick slow flyby here. Look at that. Whoa. Love how it looks banking through the corners. Well, that was kind of like maybe a barrel roll. Wonder what this stunt button does. I wonder if it works. Whoa, it did like some sort of like barrel roll flip thing. I don't even know. Let me see if I can get it again. That was cool. So hopefully you guys could see this in the camera. Whoa. Wow. What's that, a corkscrew? I don't even know. I'm going to have to learn all this airplane terminology. Tell me what I just did in the comment section below. I cut the throttle. That thing is just gliding on its own. Look at that, all by itself. Whoa. Easily one of the best planes I've ever flown. Mustang looks killer, but we gotta try that Zero. Oh wait, that means I gotta land. I don't know how to land. I totally forgot. I gotta figure out how to land. So I'm just gonna cut the throttle. Oh, cut the throttle. Oh, I crashed it. I was way overthinking it. It's like a turtle. The prop didn't even pop off. Let's see here. Everything looks straight. Fire's back up. I think we're good. All right, guys, now we'll fly the Zero. This is a little different. This one has a 3-blade prop. Don't know if it's gonna make that much of a difference, but let's launch this thing. Gotta arm it. There we go. And then we can fire it up. Whoa, yeah, just as easy. Look at that thing. So cool. Full throttle bank turns. Ah, yeah. No, didn't loop it. I was trying to loop it there. Let me see if I could try it again. Cut the throttle, bank it. Oh, it's having a rough time. It doesn't like that. Maybe if I went to expert mode, I could do that, but trainer mode doesn't want to do any sort of loop. But let's try the tricks, the stunts. Hit the button. Yep. Got a barrel roll there too. Oh, geez, I'm in the sun. Stick to this side of the field. That stability really just kicks in and, you know, keeps this thing nice and level. Oh, I think I got a loop. No, oh, kind of just stalled out. All right, let me see if I could just flip this. Yes, there we go. When you go in expert mode, oh, nope, that was bad. I am not an expert. Crash. I'm gonna stick in full system mode from now on. They have some carnage here. The prop came off, and it's supposed to come off actually. It's supposed to be like just a snap in, so nothing breaks. And let's see how it works here. Yep, just snap right back in. Let's see. Yep, throttle's up. Let's just make sure it's good. Yeah, look at that. Took that hard crash, and it's back in action. These things are tough. These are awesome, guys. 100% awesome. Look at this, a low wing plane. You probably fly it in your backyard, most backyards, or just head down to the park. This is the way to go. I'll have links in the video description for these. Let me know if you want to see some more planes on the channel. Whoa. I landed it. Oh, flip at the end.